The Helper Bird, written by Anita Ganeri. This little bird lives in Africa. The bird helps some very big animals. This big animal is a hippo. This big animal is a rhino. Bugs called ticks bite the animals and make their skin itch. The little bird eats the ticks and stops the itch. Ticks are good food for the bird. The bird also helps zebras and buffaloes. Lions hunt these animals, but the bird can see them coming. The bird calls out to the animals when a lion comes near. The little bird is a very good helper.